where the trillium just cover the ground, but I'm trying to show them a very, very subtle flower, because a lot of times the wildflowers are not bright and showy. This is hepatica, and down here at the base of the plant is a small flower that is usually insect pollinated, and the flower sits down here at the base of the ground that you have to really go and search for. And it's not a bright showy flower, but it's a wildflower just the same that is kind of unique, and you have to look for it. There's another one right over here. I don't know that you can get that.
I don't think I can. We got good ones over there, though.
And if you look at the trillium just go on and on and on and on.
All up the hillside.
Up the next hill and on the next hill, and then you'll see patches of squirrel corn. You'll see patches of the Dutchman's bridges. We've got, and don't miss the little subtle things. You got yellow violets and blue violets tucked in between here, and you start to look, and there's just a tremendous amount of wildflowers, and there's a lot of variation in the color. A lot of variation. Some of these are different species violets because they're blue instead of the dark maroon or purple. What's unique about this trail is this trail starts at the water's edge and picks up enough elevation. We got a bug on you. It's not a fish.
I appreciate that.
It picks up enough elevation, and it changes aspects as the hill goes around and becomes a southern facing slope. So the variety of wildflowers in the next 200 yards is normally they last about a week or two, but here you can get almost 2 weeks of wildflowers in one area, because what's down here in the lower elevation is finishing blooming, and what's up at the other elevation is just starting blooming. So we can get a whole variety of flowers, and then you get the flowers of this aspect that is just flowing on up the hill and covering the ground. And if you look in any direction, you'll see that there's just more wildflowers than you could ever count.